My name is Bert Beasley. I'm the agriculture teacher here at DCIT. We offer two pathways. Our first pathway is agricultural mechanics and technology. Our second pathway that we offer is in horticulture, which is a plant science-based class. And we're really excited to have this brand new greenhouse. The one we had here had been here since 2006 when they first built the school and was in disrepair. It's been really awesome for the students as well. They've enjoyed working in here. The different things that we grow in here, we sell to the school district employees and to the general public. That helps to provide money for field trips and other things that we take throughout the year for our student organization, which is our FFA chapter here at DCIT. This greenhouse has been a lot nicer to use. It's a lot more up to date. A lot of the stuff is easier to program with our irrigation system, timer controls. And this one is actually 30 feet longer than the old greenhouse, so it provides a lot more growing space for the students to learn and actually grow plants from seed all the way to finish and see all the processes involved with that. Students that are interested in going to the field of horticulture, there are a lot of different job openings available. The plant industry is wide open. There's actually inspectors even that work with the state that inspect insects, and there's fertilizer inspectors, all kinds of different possibilities like that for them. They also learn, even if they wanted to go later and save some money with producing a garden at home, learn the basic principles of plant science and fertilization and nutrition for the plants, and the soil pH and amendments to add to the soil that'll help them to be successful with growing plants at home.
Right, we feel like we're a very important part of the workforce development in Darlington County, and part of that is proper training. And in order to train students properly, we need the right equipment. We need the best facilities we can get. And this greenhouse is state of the art. It's awesome. I doubt you'll find a better one in a school anywhere. And this is the perfect way for students to prepare for a job or a number of other things.